going on, Pyros? Welcome back to DMV's Pyrotechnics. So, we're going to be doing testing and lining more 8-inch salutes. Thunderbolts. Are these louder than Ghostbusters when they came out? Ghostbusters are pretty loud. Are these louder than Masters? Are they the same? We don't know. So, we're going to demo more of these for you. I'm excited. Excited when they came out with the Ghostbusters. Just like when Kong Killers came out. They were the thing to have that year. Ghostbusters came out. Masters finally joined the game with the Master 5s. Love the 80 series with all the effects. So, now we're into the 8s. Will there be 9s next year? Who knows? Is 8s enough? Probably. But, oh well. They're going to do what they want. So, we're going to get a few of these out. Go light up the sky. Create our own thunder. Let's go, Pyros.